Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day. So today what I want to show you guys is how you guys can color coordinate your guys' SolidCAM tree. So you'll see over here we have our part. The engineer sent it to us already color coded in different areas. So if I go over to my iRough and iFinish, what I'll do is I'll color coordinate it to match what's on there. So I can come over here, right click and do font and color, and we'll go to the color and hit OK, and we can throw a bold on there if we want. And now you'll see my color code matches over there. So we can do the inside holes, which is my red. So come over here, do font and color, grab our red. And this just makes it a little bit easier for you guys to go through and match up what's going on. So I'm using my HSR, and my HSS is these yellow areas. So that I can come over here, font and color, switches over to yellow, to bold. And that's how you guys can kind of go through and kind of makes things a little bit easier for you guys if you guys want to customize it just a little bit more. Being able to see, just by looking at the colors, you can know what it is being machined in that specific operation. So I just want to show you guys that for the tip of the day, and we'll talk to you guys next week with the tip of the day. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.